Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Sorry the video was really late. There's a lot of stuff was going on today, so we'll get started for February Part 5 for 2025 Patreon for STL files for D&D, Warhammer Proxy, and figures as well. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And let's get started as well. So we got Last Sword Minis. Okay, let's go post. Last one. I mean, this is like a proxy for Age of Sigmar and Old World. You get some of the High Elves and some of the other heroes you can get as well. It's actually pretty good, you know. They did the knights and everything for it as well, and it was, a lot more affordable than a lot of stuff. You get terrains as well. And sometimes they do put in like Lord of the Rings stuff. Some of these terrains you could probably use for Lord of the Rings as well. All the links that I'll be looking at will be down below for you guys. Crippling God Foundry. This is like D&D and Warhammer because of the sci-fi section as well. That's too small. There we go, big enough. So we got some, look like a worm or a big ass snake. Golem, spellcaster. We got a lot of spellcaster. I think it's supposed to be Harry Potter. Are they doing like Harry Potter shit? I think it is. McGonagall's right there. There's Hermione, Harry Potter, and Ron. If you want Harry Potter style for D&D, here you go. There's a lot of them as well. You might be interested in. There's your throwback and your welcome pack. I think it's a new updated version. Let's see if you can find a sci-fi one as well. Let's post out the sci-fi. No, they have the sci-fi. I don't know where the sci-fi one is. This is the loyalty one. You get a big Tiamat standing on two legs. There's all the old school D&D cartoon series. Okay. I'm trying to find. I don't think sci-fi one. I don't even have the sci-fi ones out yet, but they will be out. Just keep an eye on it. One page rules is a proxy for Warhammer. Let's see here. They do this for like the Skavens and I think the Sphinx. Um, it's a very expensive, so I didn't buy it. But you look at the February release, what we're gonna get. So we got like a big ass griffin, owl griffin looks like it with the face of an owl, and there's high elves, spellcaster. Looks like we got some Necrons, terrains, shit. Looks like some Taupertoli and Imperials. Looking like it, but let me see. We got some high elves for your games. They also have their own rules for their games as well. But a lot of times, freaking Warhammer stuff is ridiculously expensive. So a lot of times people do proxy their things. These are pretty good for Imperials. I would say tactical suit and everything. I just don't like printing individual parts and putting them all together. I like one solid piece and just print one solid piece. That's just me. But check them out. It's like $10, and there you get a lot of stuff from them. Asgard Rising. For this, they do Viking style. This is from December 2024. I don't think they have done anything for this year yet, so we'll skip that. Dragon Tapper's Lodge, another good D&D stuff as well. I do like their models a lot because it's a lot of time to make it freaking hilarious looking. This is a loyalty one. That looks kind of dope. Yeah, here we go. Rage of the Elements, Heralds of the Apocalypse. So we got Corrupted Virtue, uh, Angelic Snarf. Let's try and see if we can get a little bit bigger. So this is the elementals. We got magma, earth. I think there's frost, water. Then we got earth, flames, whole bunch of different things. Storm. And then probably amalgamation all of them in one. We got the welcome pack. Yeah, I like what's pretty damn cool. The Whispering Winds. So this is probably Azure. That's going to be an Azure in the elemental plane. That's actually pretty cool looking. Well, I'm using Tailspire, so I can actually use this in Tailspire, so it makes it a lot easier for me to do a lot of stuff, transferring a lot of the files in. I just gotta learn how to get a color thing for STL files. Where's the other one? Okay, this is gonna be Heroes of the Apocalypse. There'll be a lot of angel stuff. I think Celestial. This is Children of the Flames. And this is compatible with one-page rules. So we got some big ass angels. It's kind of cool. Angelic. Man, those little mini angels like the cupids are fucking scary looking. Has concave eyes and everything. Yeah, like skull face. Yeah. They're supposed to be cutesy. I guess not. That's good. That's cool. I do like them a lot. In many ways. Fantastic plants and rocks. This is terrain pieces. I think you'll be getting this for $3.90 if you're interested in getting some of the terrain pieces for it. Let's see here. Nom figures. This is a figure ones. This is last month's, and this is this month's. Raven, Jeff, Jansaki, Rathilos, and Chach Helen. And your special loot box is coming in as well. So that's actually cool, chibi one looking. And they're really high quality models as well. I will not argue about it. Oh, really solo leveling. She is hot. I hope she has big boobs in this one because she has big boobs on the anime. I'll be sad if she doesn't have big old bitties. That doesn't look like she has big old bitties. There's Felicia, Joker, Sora, and there's the grandma, and so forth. That'll be for March. Daybreak Miniature, another figure for D&D. February, looks like we're gonna get. Looks like we're getting tree ants and wood, tree ants druids. So tree ants forest. So you can get a lot of that. Looks like a tree hydra. As well, that actually pretty look cool, especially with the runic base for it as well. Swannet, hopefully they come back. They make some pretty good terrains. I guess not. Val Victus miniature is also D&D and what you call it, Warhammer proxies. So these could be your cultist for your proxy for Warhammer. And then you have your Bay Victus. You have a sorcerer with 3 arms on the other side. But yeah, so you have your cultist army right here if you need it. Raven post venture, and hopefully they get something out. Nope, they have nothing else since last year. Dragon Rest, another good terrain pieces as well. Essential maze. So we got trees and forest and the maze for it. That's pretty goddamn detailed. It's gonna be a lot of prints just to make a lot of this stuff for it as well. This was from last month, the Coliseum. Village of Hope, they don't really have anything coming out a lot of times, but hopefully November release. Yeah, they usually do it once a month, but a lot of times I do want them to post some stuff, but that's just me. I think this will be the last one for this video. Titan Forge miniature, it's Warhammer proxy. Also, you get stuff for D&D as well. So we got Chaos Beast in the middle, and we have D&D stuff on the right. We got fighters, Tortle, Thieflings, 2-headed dogs. They're called Death Dogs, I believe. And there's Swamp Frog stuff as well. Anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.